Welcome to our YouTube channel, Timeless Expeditions. We're going to walk through some of our favorite kitchen products that we've been using in our trailer. First, we're going to go over the buddies. These little plastic containers are pretty awesome. They fit in the slide-out pantry of the Flying Cloud. They're BPA free, food safe. These things are awesome. Next we got the Arova. They come in a set of 4. It's a fridge organizer. They're made of premium acrylic. They're stackable, BPA free. We're really enjoying these. Next is the Travel Berkey. There's quite a few different systems out there that claim to do things. After all of our research, we decided that this one here, made by New Millennium Concepts out of Texas, was just the way that we were going to go. We love this thing. We use it every single day. The filters will remove all kinds of crazy stuff, and they're good for like 6,000 gallons. So we take this with us in the trailer. Our Corel dish set. We debated for a while about just using paper and plastic. In the end, we decided we were going to try a set of these, and we've been really pleased with them. We dropped the plate on the floor, nothing happened, so these babies are awesome. And you can find replacement plates and cups, whatever you need. The Collapsible dish rack. This thing stores right underneath the stove. Really easy. Other than that, you just need to make sure that the drain goes into the sink. I did not realize that it had a front drain, and we had water all over the counter. The Camco egg holder holds 12 eggs. We like to take this. We're always baking muffins and different things, or eating eggs for breakfast. My personal favorite, the Stargazer cast iron 10.5 inch skillet. I love this thing. I've been using it pretty much every day for the last 3 months, 4 months, just kind of getting it seasoned for getting ready to go out. It cleans up super easy. It holds a seasoning very well. I don't use any kind of soap or anything like that, just a very soft sponge and water. This thing is awesome. And those are some of our favorite items that we're using right now in our trailer. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and we'll do our best to answer them.